वो तो Gujarati people revere him because it is Shuddha Advaita, Sabhi Krishna ka Amsa. So you see Krishna, Jani Janardana Bhavaha, Ramanand, Nimbarkar, Gaudaya, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Krishna Nam, Chaitanya very few Lekanam, but always Krishna Nam, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare. That is, this Sagga is to tell the Nam ki Mahima, Ha Rama Rama Anuja, Ha Vaidehi Tapasvini, Namam Janita Dukkena, Briyamanam Anatavati Raghunandana Prana Pirite, Tumaha Binu Jihata Bahuta Dina Bhite. 3-5 days have gone past without you. I cannot bear the separation. This Atma has to reach you. Ha Janaki Lakana Ha Raghubara Ha Pitu Hita Chita. You are a Pita Hitvala. Why did you take this suffering? It is because of you making me Dharmatma. Ha Pitu Hita Chita Chataka Jaladhara. I am like Chataka Pakshi, longing for your Kataksha.